Hey, this is Nancy from MovinsEdition. Let me introduce a diesel mid sneakers item from the MovinsEdition series. It's a new product from MovinsEdition that's mid sneakers from Diesel's Pression. It's a different color, but the Korean singer of JPM in the picture is famous for wearing it. Overall, it's a white diesel high-top model. The shape of the outsole part is unique. Diesel's signature on the back of the shoe is luxurious. Nice pad for ankle protection. The product name is mid, but it's almost high. The pattern considering the air quality of the upper part. Above all, the embroidery is luxurious. The outer soles are diesel-like and unique. This is the new one from MovinsEdition, a unique pattern of diesel mid sneakers. These super unique, vibrant sneakers go with anything in your closet just because they're cool. With contrasting fabrics throughout, they have a distinctive texture and complementary colors that definitely make you stand out in a crowd. Diesel logo on back and shiny, patent leather tongue for added flair. A must-have to wear with your favorite jeans. The new mid snakes from Diesel's Pression collection is recommended to diesel collectors and high-top enthusiasts. Bye!